In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a game of chess with ChatGPT and engage in a delightful virtual match. Whether you're a chess enthusiast or a beginner eager to practice, using ChatGPT to play is not only fun but also an excellent way to enhance your understanding of the game. Let's dive in and start our chess journey. First things first, we need to open up ChatGPT. So head over to your web browser and type in chat.openai.com. Once you're there, you'll likely need to sign in if you haven't already. This is the portal where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, you'll see a clean and intuitive interface before you. Now, let's prepare for a brand new chat with ChatGPT. On the left-hand side of the screen, find and click on New Chat. This ensures that we have a fresh slate to start our chess game without any clutter or previous conversations interfering. It helps to maintain clarity and allows for easy focus as we move forward. Having set up our space, it's time to initiate the game. Enter the following prompt in the text box. Let's play chess. Show the board in text using algebraic notation. I'll play white. My first move is e4. Please reply as black, explain each move briefly, and follow chess rules strictly. This prompt gives specific instructions for ChatGPT, letting it know the format you prefer for displaying the board, and ensuring it explains its moves for clearer understanding. As you begin playing, engage with the moves suggested by ChatGPT. Most of the time, it follows the rules without a hitch. However, stay vigilant for any unlikely errors that might occur. On rare occasions, ChatGPT might suggest a move that doesn't align with chess rules. If this happens, don't worry. All you need is a polite correction. For instance, you might say, "That move isn't legal because my bishop blocks that square. Please choose a valid one." This kind of feedback helps keep the game on track and ensures you're playing by the official chess rules. This session is not just about playing, but also about refining your strategic thinking and understanding of the game. Chess is a wonderful exercise for the brain, and with ChatGPT, you have a patient and responsive partner to practice with at any time. Enjoy your game, embrace each move, and remember that the more you play, the better you get. Whether you win or lose, it's all part of the learning experience. Now, jump in and see where this digital chessboard takes you. Let's get started together on this exciting endeavor.